So now we're going to talk about the next step, which is measuring the wire size, and there's several ways to get to this. Number one is you're just simply going to take a tape measure and you're going to do a 10 coil count of the unwind spring and a 20 count. This will get you the accurate wire size because we're going to give you a chart that shows you the exact measurements of what you're looking at. An easy way to do it is to look right here. This first number says 218, so it's a 218 spring. We actually also have a color chart, so if it has a big piece of gold across it, it's going to be a 250 wire size. That's 0.250. And as you follow me along here, I'm going to show you some other colors. I'm in one of my warehouses right now. See, this is a brown, which means 234. So if you look here, 234 is 0.234. On the color code onto this thing, it's going to show you it's 234 means brown. If we keep going down the line here, we look at this one, it's a 225, and these ones have a red inside. So if you look there, there's red. Sometimes it's faint, but do not mistake the red and black on the cone end. See how this is red? This is the cone end. Don't pay attention to that. All cone ends are red or black to mark left or right. This is inside of the end cone. Sometimes this will be along a different part of it, so I don't always trust the color code. I've seen them be wrong, so be sure to do the measurement and always double check. So this one right here is white. The white color code is 218s. Keep going down the line here, there's more 218s. These are 207s. The yellow means 207. So that's a good way to figure all this stuff out. Take your time when you're measuring this stuff. It just makes sense to do it right the first time.